Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you shallow cross concept. In the beginning, go to medium pass concept in skills trainer. Go to shallow cross concept.
Here we go.
Shallow cross concept is a progression read concept that features a primary receiver running a shallow crossing route and other receiver running a deep route in the opposite direction. The primary receiver running the crossing route will be your first look on the play. If he is open, the best time to throw is as soon as he crosses the other side of the center.
Here we go. Gun.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.